If you're a veteran or an active duty service member facing criminal charges in California, there may be a way to protect your record, avoid jail time, and preserve your future. In this video, you'll learn what military diversion is, who qualifies for it, and how it can help you walk away without a conviction, even after you've been charged with a crime. Hi, I'm Nana Knight, and I've spent over 15 years in a courtroom, first as a prosecutor, and now as a California board-certified criminal law specialist and a criminal defense attorney. If you need to speak with an attorney for an urgent matter, give me a call at 408-877-6177. So, what is military diversion? Military diversion is a pretrial program in California that allows certain current and former military members or veterans to have their criminal cases paused or suspended while they complete a court-approved treatment program. The best part of military diversion is that if you successfully complete the program, the charges are dismissed and no conviction is entered on your record. So this program gives you a rare opportunity to walk away from a criminal charge and you have your entire criminal case dismissed without having to plead guilty or go through trial. The program is outlined in Penal Code section 1001.80, and it's specifically designed to acknowledge the psychological impact that military service can have on veterans. It recognizes that things like PTSD or traumatic brain injury, sexual trauma or substance abuse disorders or depression and other service-related mental health conditions that may have contributed to the behavior that led up to your arrest. If your mental health condition played a significant factor in your arrest, then you may be eligible for this program. And just to be clear, this isn't a free pass, but it is a second chance for those who are serving or who have served. So who qualifies for military diversion and what kind of charges are eligible? To be eligible, you must be currently serving in one of the branches of the United States military or you have served in the past. You don't need to have combat experience or be a combat veteran or have served in a war zone, but you do need to show that your criminal conduct was connected to a condition resulting from your service. Some examples include PTSD, substance abuse disorders, military sexual trauma, anxiety, and other challenges related to your military experience. Military diversion is only available for misdemeanors. That means if you've been charged with a felony, this program is off the table. But for many common charges like domestic battery, simple assault, drug possession, vandalism, or theft, you may qualify. And you may also qualify if your attorney is able to negotiate with the prosecutor or the DA and convince them to reduce your felony to a misdemeanor. However, there are certain exceptions. Certain charges like those involving sexual abuse or voluntary manslaughter, certain types of serious unlawful weapons possession cases may disqualify you or at least require more documentation to support your application. The judge who is reviewing your case ultimately decides whether the diversion program will be granted, even if you meet the basic or baseline criteria. Now let's talk about why this program matters and how it could benefit you long after the case is over. First and foremost, if you successfully complete the program, the charges are dismissed. That means no criminal conviction, no jail time, and no permanent record that could haunt you during your background checks or your security clearance applications or renewals or when you're applying for housing or employment. The best part is that the arrest is treated as if it never even occurred. This means that when you're filling out an employment application or housing application, you can check off the box that says you were never arrested. Second, military diversion helps you get real support, not just punishment. The court works with treatment providers to develop a specific plan that is tailored to your needs, whether that's counseling, substance abuse treatment, therapy for trauma, or anger management. You're not just avoiding jail, but you're actually actively addressing the root cause of the behavior. Third, if you're still serving, military diversion could help protect your career. A conviction, even for a misdemeanor, can impact your career. It can affect your promotion eligibility, your ability to PCS, your assignment status, or even lead to a involuntary discharge or separation from the military. In certain situations, commanders may wait to see how the service member does on diversion to then decide whether they should take additional adverse action based on the incident that led up to the arrest. So completing diversion shows your command that you're taking responsibility and you're actively working to improve while keeping your record clean. Finally, for veterans, military diversion offers a path to healing that respects your service and your sacrifices. You served your country. Now this program is here to serve you. If you're a veteran or if you're on active duty facing misdemeanor charges in California, military diversion could be your best shot at avoiding a conviction and getting the help you need. If you want to talk to an attorney who is a veteran herself and understands both military law and is a criminal defense attorney and is someone you could trust, give me a call at 408-877-6177. The consultation is free and it's confidential. And if this video helped you, make sure to check out the next video right over here.